This is an HP 17-S143CL, fairly new computer, and we're going to try to replace the whole top cover at this time. So what we do is first it's going to take the battery out. Set that aside, and there's a lot of screws. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 hiding, 13, 14 hiding, 15, 16, and then there's 17, 18 here, 19, 20, looks like 21, 22, 22 screws, all the same size. So the first thing is take off the little back plate. There's expose a few after a few. Once you get that off, there's a second one here. And you can take your flat screwdriver, put it in under here on the end. And like snap, pops up. Put that aside. There's exposes those two other ones. This side here, do the same thing. Really helps if you have a magnetic screwdriver. A lot of these don't want to pop out of come out of the hole. Same thing. Get it down here. Turn that over. Now you just go all the way around the side. Okay, we've got them all out all the way around the side, all the hiding. This last one here in the center has a little C mark plus the two hidden ones. This one will remove the CD drive. And then if you're careful with the small pin here, you got to take these covers off. Just a piece of tape, and there's a screw under there. Grab this other thing here. Okay, so get those out. Well, that screw comes out. And the hard drive, you can just pull the CD drive after you take this screw out, you can just pull that right out. Set that aside. Got them all out. Just turn it over. Open it up. Give me that card there, Grady. And then next thing you do is you take some type of credit card or plastic card and you stick it in the edge here, and you work your way around, and you'll hear it popping. And you just go all the way around. And start working it back. You get to the corner, you kind of have to put another wedge in there and then come back in the back. And here start popping out. And then there's one a little bit more on this side. Okay. And then as you start to lift it up, your hard drive will fall down. This one over here? I don't think so. Still got one back here that's not good. Probably shut it off for a second. Let's see if I can. Okay, and as you do that, you hear it snapping loose. And you can see inside here, we'll show you a little view here, what it looks like. Okay, so now our goal is to take this ribbon off and this plug and these two wires here, and that'll free up the top to come out, and it just snap. I'm going to take the hinges off, and then it'll be completely free. Oh, now I can't see it all. Okay, so we need to do. What are we missing, Jake? It should be free. So you just wiggle it around, and when you stand it up, the bottom falls off. And it's completely free. Probably the best way to do this is we're going to take this. We're going to take the hinge off here, and it frees this whole thing up. So we'll take the ribbons off first, and we'll take the hinges off. Okay. So the first wires, there you go. You know, we remove these two, number 1 and number 2. They're labeled 1 and 2 already, and the board is labeled 1 and 2, and they just come straight up. You just snap right off, and it winds itself through these here. So now that side's free, and then on this top wire, it goes through here, under here. Be real careful, just move that, and it's just stuck right here to a little piece of wire, tape sticking it down. Once you have that off, you pull the little black bar down, ribbon fits out, you grab the small one, pull it straight forward. It's completely free and ready to go. Then we take out the last 2 screws. And these are different sizes, so make sure you keep them separate. All the other ones have been the same size. And then we take the 2 at the bottom. Put that aside. Set that aside. Now we should be able to just separate the 2. Like that. Back and the screen will be down. Motherboard and all the parts are right there. I'll send it this way so it stays nice and clean. Alright, completely assembled.